A new installation will be unveiled today for convicted Americans who are blocked by employment, housing, and education barriers.
So it's an effort to fulfill justice system obligations for, well, thousands. Jen is live. And it looks like you're on the mall. Hi.
Hey guys. Okay, so this is Second Chance Month. Heather is here from JPMorganChase. You have a big fancy title, but in plain terms, you're head of corporate responsibility.
I work in our corporate responsibility team at the firm, overseeing a lot of our initiatives that help communities.
So what is this here? This is an art installation made up of paper, but the papers are very important.
They are. This is called the Waiting Workforce, and it is comprised of paper that people could expunge who have criminal records. And it's really important to understand that there are 1 in 3 Americans who have a criminal record, which is an astronomical number that not everybody really appreciates.
You'll forgive me, but I think about JPMorganChase and I think about fancy men and women with big fancy degrees that have worked really hard to get there. But you guys are dedicated to employing people who have criminal records that have kind of made their way, served their time, and are ready for a new start.
That's right. We recognize that we got to bring people off the sidelines to really drive the economy forward, and we want to do our part in that. And so we work to help people understand whether they can work at JP Morgan. We're regulated, we're a bank. How to apply and to join our team. We have 10% of our new hires every single year are people with criminal backgrounds.
Wow, because again, it's 1 in 3. I don't think we can say that enough.
Yep.
And then in terms of the art, why this? Why spend your time, your money, your resources doing this?
We want to raise awareness of the importance of bringing people off the sidelines and into the economy. The importance of understanding the very existence of a criminal record can really make it hard for people to get a job. And we want to provide information and spark conversation. We believe that business, nonprofit, government, community groups, if we come together, we can get those people off the sidelines and into the economy. Good for communities, good for families, good for cities.
Okay, we're both moms. So what if I'm a mom sitting at home and my child, my husband, my neighbor, I know that they've been convicted of a crime, they've served their time, but I also know they could probably be a good worker for you guys. How do they get in?
Well, the way we've changed our hiring procedures is you apply for a job and we evaluate you and we say, we think you're the best person for this job. Eventually we'll run a background check as we have to do under the law. And if we see that you have a criminal record and it's not applicable to the job and we think you're the best person, we're going to hire you.
I like it. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's an important thing. In the city of Philadelphia, around the country, every family, every neighborhood has been touched by this. So thanks so much.
Thank you. Thanks so much for showing our new art installation here. It'll be here all month.
And even though you're a fancy JP Morgan gal, I think you're pretty cool.
Thank you.
Guys, back to you. So Mike, I know you love art. So get your butt over here.
Yeah.
So what side of it is?
So the National Constitution Center is behind it?
See it? Yeah, see, it's like right here. It'll be here till mid-April.
End of April.
End of April, because this is Second Chance Month. And so it's, Mikey.
That would be art.
I know, Alex, you can come too, but you need to walk over here and get your art on.
Yeah. It's Art Street.
Art Street, okay.
Yeah.
Literally in front of the Constitution Center.
Yeah, well,
but like
not
across
literally
the street,
because it's across the street.
But if you're facing the Constitution Center,
yeah.
unless you're really in front of the doors, you won't.
What you do is you walk down to Market to 5th.
Okay.
Take a right. Walk down to Arch.
And take a right.
Take a left.
Oh, left. Okay. Yes.
And boom, you'll be right there in front of it. Well, you'll be behind
right
it,
in the
so
middle.
you'll have to go around and then look into it.
Okay. Thank
No,
you.
I think it's a beautiful piece. My goodness.